Are you looking for the best foldable treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best foldable treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. WalkingPad Ultra Slim Foldable Treadmill P1. You may be in need of something super compact for your studio apartment or small home gym space. If so, this pick from WalkingPad may appeal to you. Designed as a standing desk treadmill, this ultra-slim and compact treadmill folds in half and can be easily stored under your couch or bed when not in use. Although WalkingPad offers other models that include a handrail and need to be stored upright, this P1 model keeps it very compact. The treadmill comes with a wireless remote control where you can do everything from accelerating and decelerating speed to monitoring time, mileage, calories and more. You can lightly jog on this model up to only 3.5 miles per hour, but our experts say the P1 is best for leisurely walking. It also does not have any incline capabilities, but we appreciate that it provides an easy and compact solution for those wanting to walk indoors. One tester said that the P1 came especially in handy during the winter months, and another said, perfect for at-home walks especially on rainy days. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT7603 Treadmill. Another affordable foldable treadmill, this pick from Sunny Health and Fitness is a great machine for walking and jogging, particularly if you're tight on space. You'll also find a console with a digital monitor, pulse sensors, dual water bottle holders and more. You'll be able to track metrics like time, distance, speed and calories on the LCD screen. This option comes with 9 built-in programs and also features a manual incline that you can adjust to 3 unique heights, though you can upgrade to a model with automatic incline for an extra cost. It folds upright like many models and features a soft drop hydraulic mechanism which the company says is designed to help the deck gently lower itself to the floor. Easy to use and folds up pretty small, one reviewer said. While this treadmill won't endure the fastest sprints and will only take you up to 9 miles per hour, we like that it features a display where you can quickly adjust your speed with the push of a button. Our analysts do warn, however, that the running belt is 49 inches long, about 4 feet, and narrower than most, so it'll feel small if you're used to a larger running belt. Number 3. Horizon Fitness T101 Foldable Treadmill. Those looking for a capable machine at a moderate price point will likely gravitate to the T101 from Horizon Fitness. This traditional foldable treadmill has some extra features like a USB port for charging your devices while you exercise, a water bottle holder and a quiet motor with a lifetime frame and motor warranty, according to the manufacturer. Though it does away with a fancy screen, it includes a built-in device holder for your tablet or phone as well as a simple display for adjusting your speed, incline and more. We like this model for incline walking in particular since you can raise the incline up to 10%. I live in a cold state during the winter and usually wouldn't exercise when it was below freezing. No excuses now and I actually enjoy it, one reviewer said. I do feel like it is a very sturdy, solid treadmill, another noted. We also like that you can connect your phone to the treadmill's speakers via Bluetooth and listen to music or stream your favorite show while working out, no headphones needed. While we haven't tested this model in the lab, the Featherlight hydraulic system is meant to make folding and lowering the treadmill less cumbersome. Number 4. Echelon Stride Treadmill. If saving space is your top priority, look no further than the Echelon Stride. This compact treadmill folds up to a height of just 10 inches to lay flat against the wall or easily slide under most beds. We like that it features a 4.6-foot running belt that will suit most runners and that it reaches speeds up to 12 miles per hour, which is a higher max speed than most foldable treadmills. You'll also be able to take advantage of 12 incline levels. Though the Stride lacks a built-in touchscreen, it's equipped with a device holder so you can easily stream Echelon Premier workout classes, though you'll have to pay extra for the Echelon Premier subscription after a 30-day free trial or another one of your favorite running apps from your iPad. It also features a sleek LED display where you can check on stats like pulse, incline, speed and more while running. One tester appreciated the sleek design which she said looked great in her home. I like the profile of it. It's a sturdy machine but slim enough to be portable, another tester said. It's a good starter treadmill for someone like me who has limited space and needs the versatility of space. There's little not to love about this foldable treadmill, though we have found the automatic folding system isn't as seamless as it could be. It's still pretty heavy to fold and move around. But the ability to store this treadmill under your bed is a game changer, especially in very small spaces and apartments, but you'll need to check the clearance under your bed to ensure this will work. Number 5. Xterra Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. For the best of both worlds in terms of affordability and performance, look no further than this popular choice from Xterra that strikes the perfect balance between the two. With over 11,000 5-star reviews on Amazon, this foldable treadmill offers a nice size running belt where you can run at speeds up to 10 miles per hour. We like the substantial console that includes a book rack, accessory holders and an LCD display where you'll be able to track metrics like speed, incline, time, distance, calories and more. You can even track your pulse thanks to the hand pulse sensors mounted on the side handlebars. This model has over 11K 5-star ratings on Amazon, with many reviewers noting how sturdy and versatile the model is in their homes. The smaller footprint allowed me to keep it on the main level of the house, one reviewer said. Those looking for some extra guidance will appreciate that this model comes with 12 programmed workouts to choose from. One thing to note is that if you want to adjust the incline, you can only choose from 3 heights and you'll have to do so manually. The frame itself folds upright and is relatively compact, given the design. Casual walkers and beginner runners will find this pick best for them, while more advanced runners might need a machine with a wider running belt and more special features like an automatic incline. Number 6. Sunny Health and Fitness Foldable Manual Walking Treadmill SF T1407M. Treadmills in general don't come cheap, but if you're looking for a decent option under $200 to get moving at home, then this model from Sunny Health and Fitness may be just what you need. This affordable folding treadmill is manual, meaning it doesn't need to be plugged into an outlet and requires no electricity. Because it's operated manually, the belt will only go as quickly as the speed you walk or run. You'll find a small digital monitor on the front bar that helps track basic metrics like time, speed and distance. Just keep in mind that the incline is fixed at a steep 13.5% and the running belt is shorter and more narrow than other foldable treadmills. But if you're looking to amp up your cardio, you may appreciate the fixed incline. Our fitness experts say that incline walking is a great lower-impact alternative to running that can instantly up the intensity of your workout. With an overall 4 out of 5 stars on Amazon and over 7K ratings, many reviewers agree that it wasn't difficult to set up and could be assembled in under an hour. One reviewer who noted that the treadmill is great for those living in an apartment said, "I enjoy that it doesn't run on electricity and it's not too loud." While our pros wouldn't recommend this treadmill for serious runners, it can be a decent choice for avid walkers looking for some extra steps. Plus, this model folds easily for compact upright storage. But if this budget-friendly option from Sunny Health and Fitness is missing some of the key features you're looking for, you can still find an affordable choice with a few more capabilities like speed up to 9 miles per hour, a longer running deck and a larger digital monitor in the SF T7603 model, more on that later.